At Barcode Factory, we believe small and growing businesses shouldn't have to compromise on mobility. That's why today, we're unboxing your intelligent alternative. Hi, my name is Luke Hess, and I'm the Vice President of Business Development at the Barcode Factory. Today we're going to talk about the Zebra TC22 and how it can bring added value to your business. The TC22 is built on a foundation of tested ergonomics. It's 10% thinner than previous models, it's IP68 sealed and scratch resistant. It has a 6-inch high-definition screen for less scrolling. The TC22 combines enterprise features and a user-friendly interface. It comes pre-installed with Android for Enterprise and supports up to Android 16. Its intelligent built-in scanner enables fast data capture. The TC22 is a built-in 2D imager, which is more reliable than a consumer-grade device that would use a camera to capture barcodes. And Zebra's mobility DNA apps enable remote staging, diagnostics, and automatic patches. With flexible connectivity options, Zebra makes it easy to adapt to your changing needs. Removable batteries can protect uptime without powering down devices. So if you have workers that are maybe working multiple shifts, they can simply take out the battery, put a new battery in, and continue with their shift. There's also a few different ways to charge these devices. You can charge it with a USB-C cable, and you can also charge it with a charging dock. It has a speaker and a microphone, so it'll support all of your voice applications and your enterprise needs. Pair the TC22 with an optional trigger handle or wrist mount for greater flexibility. And that's a closer look at the TC22. Thanks for unboxing the TC22 with us. Be sure to like and follow for more videos. You can find us on the web at barcodefactory.com or give our team a call.